Hello guys, it's Ala again from Egypt and welcome to Global Beauty Kit. Today I'm going to make an inspired mermaid look. Okay, hi. It's gonna be like a pinkish purple kind of theme with like a little turquoise, you know, these like the palette of a mermaid kind of thing. So I have my base on. I just gonna put concealer and prepare the base and then show you the eyeshadow look, because that's what matters in this video. Done concealing my dark spot. Okay, so I'm using for the transition color right now, I'm gonna use Naked 3. So I will be using the shade Ouch Limit. Buff it out. Put that in your crease. And put concealer on your lids like I just did, so we could lay off the colors of the gradient we're going to make. So here's that. And if you don't know how, please check out my previous videos. I did that a lot. And here's the color palette we're gonna use. We're gonna use purples. Here it is. Put it on the inner corner. Ooh, I like it. And then pick the darker shade of purple, the one next to it. And then we really need like a darker color, so I love it. Or we could do, yeah, we could do this one here. And then we're gonna blend with our transition shade, so we could blend all 3 shades together. Okay. We could put a little turquoise under our eyes. It's gonna bring your brown eyes, blue eyes, you call it. Okay, so guys, let me do the other eye and put mascara and eyeliner on, and we're gonna complete this look. Okay guys, so after completing my eye look, I just put mascara and did the other eye and some just eyeliner inside my waterline. See how it brings out brown eyes, guys? See? Told you. The turquoise or the turquoise does wonders. So I'm gonna use the Kylie Cocoa Kit and do some blusher. Oh, love blusher. I'm gonna be using MAC Soft and Gentle. Here is. Let's open her up. Fan brush. And watch the magic. See that? Okay, see that? Oh my god. Blinded! Now for lipstick, we need something pink. Here it is, pink as ever. Okay guys, so here's the final. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to tell me what looks do you want to see more from me. I'd be really glad to listen to you guys and do whatever you want from me. I hope you like this video. Love you.